U.S. stocks finishing barely in positive territory as investors were hit with a slew of less than stellar earnings reports. Courtney Donohoe has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Hey there, Pimm. Well, stocks fluctuating between gains and losses all through the session, but managing to finish the day little change. Pushing stocks higher, improving consumer sentiment, and IBM buying back $10 billion in stock. The company has said it plans to spend about $50 billion in buybacks to boost its earnings. But pulling stocks lower, some disappointing earnings from a variety of companies and a report showing home prices missing estimates. So let's first talk about those home prices rising at a slower pace than forecast in August. The S&P Case-Shiller Index of property values increasing 1.7%. That's the smallest year-over-year gain since February. Economists were expecting to see a gain of 2.1%. The end of the government tax credit of $8,000 has weighed on the housing market. People not buying homes when they're worried about their jobs, so that's keeping a lid on prices. Plus, record foreclosures, they're dumping more properties on the market. But on a brighter note, consumer confidence rising in October from a 7-month low. But it's going to be a while to get the biggest part of our economy back on track. American spending may be restrained into the next year because unemployment rate is projected to stay at above 9%, Pimm.
Now, Courtney, you did mention briefly those disappointing earnings report. One of them that surprised investors was from U.S. Steel.
Yeah, well, that stock down 3.25% today. U.S. Steel posting a surprise third-quarter loss, saying that repair and maintenance costs were significantly higher, $86 million. Also, the price of iron ore rose 57% from a year earlier. Also, consumer products company Kimberly-Clark posting an 18% drop in third-quarter profit. The company that makes everything from Kleenex tissues to Huggies diapers, also lowering its full-year earnings forecast on higher materials costs and lower demand for its products at its businesses. Bristol-Myers, sales missing estimates, the healthcare overhaul reducing reimbursements, and Texas Instruments dropping today. The chipmaker forecasting smaller fourth-quarter sales than some analysts expected. They see a slowdown in consumer electronics spending. Pimm.
Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange, giving us the details on today's earnings and market action.